How to fix Microsoft Teams error CAA50021 in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Locate and remove any stored credentials related to Microsoft Teams. Restart Teams and re-enter your login details. If that didn't work, resetting Microsoft Teams will remove all settings and cached data, essentially restoring it to its default state. This can be useful if repairing the application does not resolve the issue. Now try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, one built-in feature of Windows is the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter, which can automatically detect and resolve problems with apps, including Microsoft Teams. If that didn't work, now try again and your problem should be fixed.